Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm just here with a quick video. If you are having like some sort of youth event coming up, you know, when I say youth, I mean like the girls are at puberty age and it's some sort of whatever the event is, you know, still get them some fun stuff that they would enjoy, but make sure that you also, you know, get them right, ladies, you know what I mean? Like put some knees in here, and you know, kind of just teach them about hygiene and, you know, the changes of their bodies and stuff like that. Or maybe the youth event or whatever, they already know about this, but it's also good just to, you know, slipping it into the bag, because you never know who you could be helping out, who just ran out, who was afraid to ask, if anybody had any. But these are like travel size, and they have a coupon inside, and it's also great to teach the youth about couponing and the benefits of couponing, and also having like some sort of stash, like a little stockpile that is just for them, not for them to sell, that is just a backup way when their money's running low, or you know, funds just aren't there. At least they can go to their stockpile and grab what they need and not be out, not have to run out, not, and you know, not be without. So these were at Walgreens. These were on clearance for 49 cents. And I just was like, oh, this will make like a good like little gift to even just give somebody, even if you aren't having an event and you just have like, you know, maybe you're going to a birthday party, or you know, like some girls that are getting to puberty age. This is a great gift for you to, you know, give them, just because you're helping them out, you know. So, and then this, I just got this water bottle too. This was like $2 something. This is just what it looks like. I thought it was really nice, and I think that stuff on the inside keeps it cool for much longer, you know, like cold beverages like water, cold for much longer. So you can do that too. Give them like a water bottle and, you know, some feminine hygiene, or maybe you can make like a nice feminine hygiene basket for them. They won't be embarrassed, because you know what, they'll be able to use everything in there. You know, you're getting them by for a month or two with the stuff that's in there. I'm not saying it has to be big packs or nothing, but like, you know, 3 come in here so you can help somebody out for 3 days, you know. So definitely, when you're looking for like gift ideas or something, look at the age range for stuff. Don't just go out and get, you know, say like it's a preteen or something, or like a teenager. Let's talk about teenagers. You know, if it's a teenager, get stuff that is, you know, for a teenager, like they're going to use. Not necessarily just clothes. You can still get them clothes, but also make sure that you take care of their personal hygiene as well. You know, even if it's like this, you can get them like a gift, travel size toothpaste, toothbrush, deodorant, socks, you know, stuff like that, you know, new socks or something. Preferably like something that they're going to wear. Don't just get something because you like it. Get something that's like more of their style. And what is some other stuff that you can get them that's like, you know, like a personal hygiene basket, you know, along with some clothes if that's what you choose to do, and maybe like a gift card. But always try to take care of, without offending somebody, you know, some personal hygiene stuff. But I just, you know, when I seen these, I was like, oh my gosh, this will be like a nice like little thing to just put in a gift for like a little, you know, young girl. If you know that she's probably gonna be opening up gifts, I would disclose to her privately, you know, what's in there. And maybe you want to put it off to the side, or maybe you want to put it in a pouch and then give it to her after she's done, you know, with her gifts or something like that. But just always kind of disclose, like say, hey, I put some personal items in there, don't pull it out, or, you know, put this in your room, then you can open up, you know, your rest of your gifts or something. But I just wanted to come over and let you guys know, just put you on some like game if you were stuck on what to get a teenager or preteen or something. Yeah, they're probably like, why did she get me this? But you know what? I bet you they'll use it. I bet you they will use it. Whatever that personal hygiene item is, they will definitely use it. They may look at it funny, but when I tell you they'll use it, they will use it. So make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and check out all the details below. Be nosy, read my description. I have a lot of good stuff in there. And until next time.